Hi everyone, I'm Cameron with Specialty Appliance. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about hoods today. It's one of the most important yet underutilized appliances in the kitchen. There are 5 main types of hoods depending on your kitchen layout and the type of look you're hoping to achieve. If you have cabinets over your cook surface, you're going to go with an over-the-range microwave or an under cabinet hood. From there we have our typical chimney style hood. There are hood inserts which can fit inside of a shroud that is designed to look any way you want it to. Or there are island hoods which can hang down from your ceiling in your kitchen. Within all those hood types, there are 3 main types of filtration. You have your typical mesh filter. With this, you'll get about a 20 to 40% grease capture rate. From there, we move to a baffle style filter, jump up to about 70 to 80% grease capture. And then although I'm missing a piece there, is circumferential filtration. Basically spins the air in a box. All your grease ends up in a catch, makes it easy to wipe out. This will filter 99 to 100% of your grease. Cool thing about hoods is there are probably 1,000 different options to choose from, every different style and size. Here at Specialty Appliance, we can find the right one that's going to work for you and we can install it.